Do you seriously not have any ice cream in your freezer? Yeah, I went through your fridge and freezer. You got like barely anything. Whatever. Who doesn't have emergency snacks for this kind of situation? I can't really go home because my power's out. You're having me over, which I mean, thanks, I guess. Kind of you or whatever. But like, who doesn't have, you know, snacks? Whatever. It's not like I wanted to eat ice cream anyway. All cozy while there's a storm outside. Whatever. Oh my god, are you about to fall asleep sitting up? You really need to take a break. Come on, studying and working at the same time. Or don't, yeah, for all I care. Run yourself down to the ground and die of a heart attack, I guess. You know, you really gotta be a little bit more responsible sometimes. You can't have me tell you what's wrong and what's right all the time, you know? Yeah, I know I'm here for that, but... You know, I'm not gonna be here all the time. I mean, I would love... I mean, I mean, look, I'd love to be your friend forever, but... I don't know, maybe we'll stop talking to each other when, you know, uni's done. Oh, shut up. Don't be so soppy. I mean, yeah, it'd be nice to catch up here and there, but come on. Saying, oh, well, we'll be friends forever. That's corny. Come on. Whatever. It's kind of nice in a way to just sit here and talk with you. I mean, not in like that kind of way, you know. It's just kind of it's nice to just, you know, to take my mind off of everything else and just kind of chill here while Zeus is having his fun outside. Yeah. It doesn't seem like the storm's passing anytime soon. Yeah, I did check the weather. I checked the radar. There's at least 3 more hours of this. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to crash here, which I hope you don't mind. That was a quick agreement. But I feel like you're gonna crash any second at this point. Jeez, are you feeling okay? Are you just that sleepy? Yeah, okay. Whatever, just don't fall asleep on me like you did last time. I couldn't even like leave to go, you know, lay down somewhere else. You're an idiot sometimes, you know that? No, I don't like it. Are you stupid? Do you not think I would rather have a smart friend than you? I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Well, kinda. Look, you have your smart moments, but that's like 1% of the time. Hey. What do you mean you're just gonna lay next to me? You know you're gonna fall asleep like this. Whatever. We can bet. What are the stakes? I don't know. Perhaps ice cream? Okay, whatever. If you don't want ice cream, then you pick the stakes. Because you seem to be very confident about this. We're gonna have to reveal our biggest secret? Okay, sure. Sure. Can't wait to hear your embarrassing story when you were like 5 and you like pooped your pants or something. Not like that? What do you mean? There's not really any secrets that I have that I would just keep away from everyone. There's gotta be something. I don't know. I could think of something, but it's not really gonna be interesting. Yeah, whatever. You better not fall asleep. Oh, yep. Seems to be going very well. That was only like 10 seconds. Oh. Are you unresponsive already? Hello? Sleeping Beauty. Oh my goodness. You really are something. You're so annoying. Probably don't even hear me right now. You silly idiot. Running yourself down, not taking care of yourself, and then falling asleep near your friend's lap. Great. Great. Now what the hell am I gonna do for the rest? What, 4 hours? 4 hours. I guess I'm gonna be enjoying the rain and some thunder. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, you're still knocked out. That didn't even wake you up. Ah, awesome. Well, I guess since you lost the bet, I could say that I lied. And I do actually have some secrets. I mean, you know this, but I usually don't open up myself to anyone. Even to you, it's kind of difficult. I never actually talk about what I'm feeling and whatever. I usually just kind of either joke about it or, just keep quiet. But after hanging out with you more and more and more, I've kind of started feeling a little bad about it. About not saying what I feel. And whatever we have going on, it's nice. I like it. But I would like it even more if it was something more. I could never say this if you were awake. And I mean, if you're even listening, which you're definitely not because it's you. I don't think a tank running your house over would wake you up, but yeah. Your face, the way you look when you sleep it's so peaceful. And I would love to sleep next to you one day. Gosh. And you saying things like us being friends forever, that really gets my heart going. But I genuinely like you. And I'm too big of a wuss to say that to you. To your face. I hope you sleep well. Looks like you really need it. I'm just gonna continue scrolling my phone. And then probably fall asleep myself. Oh. Good morning. I honestly didn't think you would wake up. That was a short one. You gonna go to bed? No? Are you sure? It looks like you really, really need it. What? What the heck are you on about? What do you mean you weren't sleeping? You were knocked the heck out. Don't... You can't get away with this one. Do you even remember what we bet? I think you got some things to say. Oh, really? You're just gonna say it now? Uh, you like me? Okay, yeah, I kind of knew that. I don't think I'd be sitting here wrapped up in a blanket on your sofa while you literally fall asleep right next to my legs. I don't think if you hated me or even disliked me, you know, I don't. What? What do you mean? No, you don't mean that. You idiot. You don't mean that. You heard me. You heard what I said. No, 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 no. You were sleeping. You were knocked out, right? You didn't even flinch when it thundered loudly. So you actually didn't fall asleep there. Oh my goodness. No wonder you got so much freaking confidence to just say that, but, God. Screw you. Pretending to sleep like that? What's wrong with you? Yeah, I understand. I understand that you heard everything that I said. You know, you don't have to point it out. It was embarrassing enough for myself to say that out loud even while you're sleeping. But to know that you heard that? Yeah, I obviously didn't lie. Why would I lie about that? That would be a stupid joke. And I'm not stupid. You are. You're stupid. Shut up. No. I'm not cutesy and whatever you said. Oh, oh. Make you shut up. Really? You really want that, huh? Don't test me. Don't test me with those pretty eyes. You don't know what they've done to me before. Oh, oh, so you are testing me, huh? Okay. You didn't expect this, didn't you? Maybe it's a good thing you didn't fall asleep.